It is with great pride and heartfelt joy that we welcome you all to the very first induction and turnover ceremony of JCI Catanduanes.
So ang kaugmahan mitabi, our happiness that once more JCI is back. Formally chartered on July 20, 2024.
We stay because this organization molds us not just to become better leader, but to become better people.
Let us work together to harness our collective strengths, to support one another, and to drive projects that uplift and empower. Let us be the leaders who inspire, who motivate, and who bring out the best in others.
JCI Catanduanes Board of Directors, here is your charge. The office to which you have been elected is one of dignity and importance.
You are the foundation upon which this organization will thrive. JCI Catanduanes is a promise. A promise to keep going, to keep serving, and to keep believing in the power of young people to change the world.
2025 JCI Catanduanes Board of Directors, do you accept this charge?
Yes, we do!
Thank you, Excellence.
Nakakahawa din yung formalidad, nakakahawa din yung kabaitan. And I do hope that your greatness as youth leaders will also be contagious to the next generations of the youth of Vera.
Sarong ondra tabi na makapasyar kamo digdi sa samuyang sadit na isla. It is but an honor on our part for you to have traveled all the way just to visit our humble small island.
When I received the news, after a year of back and forth conversation with my brother, JCI Catanduanes was officially approved as a new chapter of JCI Philippines during the National Board meeting held in Legazpi City, Albay on July 20, 2024.
You are free to dream. You are free to innovate. You are free to define who you are and how you will serve JCI Catanduanes.
This is not just an organization. This is a movement. This is a family. This is JCI.
So be it. A legacy of service, a beacon of hope, and a future brighter than we could have ever imagined.
That we, the youth of Catanduanes, can shape not only our future, but the future of our province.
This JCI Catanduanes shaping the future's journey of service and hope. This is our journey, and it's just only the beginning. Maraming salamat, Diyos Papalos po sa Indogabos, at mabuhay ang JCI Catanduanes, mabuhay ang JCI Philippines. God bless us all. I now declare these first induction and turnover ceremonies be adjourned.